You want to know how to make $100,000 in your first year as a real estate agent? It's simple, basic math, but backwards. So let's start by the commissions. If you sell a $400,000 home and you get a 2.5% buyer commission, that's $10,000. You only need to do that 10 times in 1 year. That's not even one sale per month. Now, if you take the amount of people in your sphere, let's say you're meeting 2 brand new people a day at a coffee shop, at a grocery store, in passing, whatever it is. Times that by 365, that is 730 new people per year. Now let's talk about a listing. It's tough to get listings in your first year, but if you can do it and you hold just one open house, let's say 50 people come through your open house, then maybe you get in the habit of hosting open houses every other weekend for other agents in your brokerage. If you meet 50 new people 26 days out of the year, yes, that is every other weekend, that's another 1,300 people. So those two combined is over 2,000 people per year. Your sphere is literally multiplying. So it's all about putting in the work and meeting the people. Other ways to meet new people in addition to open houses are calling around to expired listings, for sale by owner, door knocking, and when you are touching base with all of these people, all these brand new 2,000 plus people that you're meeting every year, make sure you're utilizing your CRM to follow up, follow back, and follow through.
Do you believe in the power of relationships like I do? Do you want to join my team? Wise Property Group is growing. Let's chat.